Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Now, let's execute code 1 to generate the error and observe what happens. Here's a detailed analysis and the remedy for this problem. Do take a moment to pause the video to understand the explanation. It's time to mend the code and check the produced result. And there you have it. The code executes flawlessly and our output matches our expectations. No more error. We've reached the end of today's episode. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more coding solution videos. Stay passionate, never stop learning, and enjoy your coding journey.